everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today I have AI. So eBay recently opened an AI to the eBay app. So I've been on social media and I've been noticing a lot of people don't use AI. They don't know what it is. They're scared to use it. What? Why are you scared to use it? I was really chuckling with that one. I have to say, I just had to chuckle because there was definitely some fright. I don't quite understand it. So I'll walk you through step by step of eBay's AI, how to do an eBay listing. It's super easy, and boy has it changed my life and reselling as far as listing. I'm getting so many more listings done. Now, I used to do it off my computer because I had special templates that I've paid a ton of money for. And some of them I've even made, but this is so easy and so much better because it actually picks up keywords that I wouldn't necessarily have used. So I'm finding that I have a lot more in my description because even lately I had been just copying and pasting my title a lot of times and then putting condition. So now there's a lot more in there, a lot more descriptive words that I didn't even realize. So come on along, I'll show you how to do eBay's AI, where to get the eBay app. And currently, as of today, it's only available on the eBay app, so you have to go there and find it. If you have a phone, you should be able to use it. Now I have an iPhone and I will show you how I go through the process of that. If you have a Google phone or Android phone, it is the same way, just a different icon. Now the apps, I have recently switched to iPhone from a Google phone, and the apps are a little bit different. They both do pretty much the same thing. Some of them are a little better and a little worse, but the basic overall picture is it gets the job done, and it gets it done really quickly. The quicker we can do our listings and get those on eBay, the more money we make, the more listings we have up, and eBay gets paid more too. So it works for everybody, and people can find stuff in your store that's new and shop more often too, especially for those people that come back and like to browse in your store. This is so easy. Don't fret, don't be scared, don't be scared. I'll show you how to step by step get the app and get the AI listed. Okay, so here is the eBay app, and what I did was go to my eBay, and then you want to hit selling. Okay, so now you can just go to list an item, or you can go to drafts. Here I have a draft already. So what you're going to do is put your photos in like normal if you haven't used the app. Put as many keywords as you can in the title, which I've done. Category, now this is very important when doing an AI, is try to get as much information as you can in there. A lot of this stuff, like if you're doing a book or something, will autofill, or you can kind of change it however you want. This is like a really great feature. So I'm just going to kind of go in there and fill this in. This happens to be a first edition book. And so here I'm going, and I'm just going to kind of put whatever in here. And I do recommend that when you sell on eBay, you put a custom SKU of where your stuff is if you have a lot of items. I just know that I have one area for books. Okay, so then I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to go down here to where the description is. And as you will see here, there's a new list faster with AI. Save time by quickly generating detailed item descriptions using AI. Now you can put your own description, which would show up here, but I just tap this, and then here is the beginning. If you go down here, you'll see use AI description. And tap that. Now eBay has done all the work for you, and I find this to be actually way better than what I would ever do on eBay. It has a ton of information on there, and a lot of times it picks up different keywords that I actually would never have thought of. So I'm just going to read this, and you want to make sure, definitely check the condition. Sometimes a lot of times they'll put like excellent condition or something, and I don't really ever want to say that about anything. Is in great condition, yeah. And I'm just going to put gently used nice. I'm going to put minor flaws. See pictures for all. Okay, so I've read that. I've double checked. I would definitely put your own condition in there. Just make sure it looks good. This AI is really awesome. It saves so much time. I go through listings so much quicker now, and the words are just way better than what I would ever put in there. So I'm going to hit done. Now, if you're listing books or collectibles, a lot of those, if you have a store, are free on eBay. So I'm just going to go buy it now. And I did look up some comps. And I'm going to go 39. Offers, allow offers, done. Quantity 1. There we go. Take a look at your stuff. A lot of times also you can just sell similar for something that you already have. And that way things are a lot quicker. I just do flat rate with my things. Okay, just make sure your shipping is good. And then hit list, and there you go. It's all done, and that's how you use AI. Don't be afraid. It's a super awesome advantage eBay is giving us to use that is new and so fabulous. Okay, everybody, bye. Hope you enjoyed. Go out and list some goodies today. So I hope you learned something new today. I've definitely found with this eBay app, when they keep updating it, it works really well. Now, if you don't have that and you have the eBay app, you probably want to update to the more current version of the eBay app. If you can't figure out how to update it, you can always just get rid of it and then reinstall it too. That works also, and that way you'll have the current updates. So please like the button, that definitely helps me out. Subscribe if you want to see more. I have some really cool adventures once in a while, and I'll show you how to sell on eBay, what cool finds I find, and how to flip for a profit. Okay, everybody, bye.